carrot cake? Do you like carrot cake? Carrot cake? Let's talk about carrot cake. If you already love carrot cake, then you're going to absolutely love carrot cake cobbler. It has all the things carrot cake is with a little extra goo, none of the fuss, and it'll be in the oven in 15 minutes. So first things first, I'm gonna turn on my oven to 350 degrees and let that preheat. Now I'm gonna grab our butter so that we can get it melting. So we're gonna use 1.5 sticks. I'm gonna put this in the oven to melt, and the oven's gonna do all the work for us. Now while that's going, let's get our dry ingredients. I'm gonna scoop 1 cup of flour. So we're gonna add 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and pumpkin spice. The best part about this recipe is the pumpkin spice. So a teaspoon goes a long way, and it has cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, cloves, and allspice, and a little white pepper, which adds the perfect amount of spice to our carrot cake. It's what you normally put in there to start with. It's just like a quick and easy hack. A teaspoon of that, some kosher salt, the brown sugar, and the pumpkin spice. It already smells so good in here. It's gonna fill your kitchen up with all these delicious smells, which is the best part. Well, eating it is the best part. You don't wanna add liquids or measure liquids in one of your dry measuring cups because you're gonna get different volumes and then you're gonna end up short or with too much. Are you recording? Okay, wait, hold on. All right, now I'm gonna take our butter out. I think the carrots and the pumpkin spice are the star of the show, but also the acidity of the orange juice. It's like chef's kiss. It breaks apart all the sweetness and then you get some notes of citrus. It's beautiful. I'm gonna go check on our butter. It's perfectly cooled. I'm gonna slowly add it to our wet ingredients that we were working on earlier. So now I'm gonna add our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. So just making sure everything is incorporated. And if there's some lumps in there, that's totally fine. Now we're gonna bring in our carrots. Give this a fold. Now we're gonna set this aside and grab our 8x8 baking dish. You could use a metal, a ceramic, or a glass. The recipe works for all of the above. Baking spray. Make sure that you get all the little nooks and crannies, all the sides. So you want to use 1/4 cup of chopped toasted pecans. Now it's my favorite part. This is what makes this carrot cake cobbler so incredibly gooey. So we're gonna go get some granulated sugar and we're gonna sprinkle this all over the top. Sometimes brown sugar can hold a lot of moisture. So if you can't sprinkle on the sugar like the granulated, you can always just use your hands to do so. Alrighty, so now that the time has come, we're gonna use our toasted pecans and we're gonna sprinkle them all around the cake. We're looking for 3/4 cup. Now once again, this is something that's gonna feel so wrong to do, but you're just gonna pour your water straight across. See you later. And now we wait. Oh yes. She's beautiful. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Look at the bubbling and all the yummy gooiness. The way that you'll know that this is done is that the top becomes very spongy and cake-like, and then the bottom will look incredibly gooey and almost caramel-like. It smells so good and I would love to eat this now, but it's so hot and it needs to sit for at least 10 minutes before we can do that. Bummer. And for a dessert with big flavor, we need a big spoon. Look at this. Yes. It has all the cake-like consistency. And the best part about this is the goo at the bottom. And that came from the granulated sugar, the brown sugar, and the hot water that we poured on top of our cake batter before it went into the oven. It's like a perfect layer of cake and goo. It's like a cobbler. I am so ready to try this. This is everything that's delicious about a carrot cake. in a dessert that's incredibly easy to whip up, and you get some delicious gooey parts and some really cakey parts, and the carrots are perfectly cooked. Oh my goodness. This makes me feel like I need a moment alone with this.